Hi everyone and have a nice day. So this is the continuation of report of Erica Jolia, which is entitled The Nature and Mechanics of Badminton. And now let's proceed to the scoring system of badminton and single and doubles. So the first one is scoring system for badminton single rules. So number 1, a match consists of best of 3 games to 21 points. Number 2, at all 20, the side which gains 2 points lead first wins the game. Number 3, at the 29 all, the side scoring of 30 points wins the game. The side winning a game serves first in the next game. Every time there's a serve, there will be a point scored unless that point is replayed. And then a 2-minute break between each game is allowed. So there will be 2-minute break in each game. So the next one is when the leading score reaches 11 points, players may take a 60 seconds break if needed. So if needed lang po siya. So now let's proceed to scoring system of badminton doubles. A match consists of the best of 3 games of 21 points. Every time there is a serve, there is a point scored. A side winning a rally adds a point to its scored. At all 21, the side which gains 2 points leads first win the games. At all 29 all, the side scoring of 30 points wins the game. So that's all, and thank you.